Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 unable to contact your DHCP server error. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Restart system. Third method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open DHCP client, change startup type to automatic, click start the service, click apply, click OK. Fourth method is type control panel in Windows search bar, click control panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.